So today I will discussing about the various azole derivative and which is available unit 4 of syllabus of the pharmaceutical organic chemistry 3. At previous classes we discussed about the some fundamentals and basic molecules of the heterocyclic compound and like pyrrole, like furan and like thiophene. Now coming to the azole derivative, and azole derivative I told already that azole is the 5-member heterocyclic ring system containing nitrogen atom and at least one other heteroatom. It may be sulfur, it may be oxygen, it may be another nitrogen. And to form a compound which is known as the azole series, and various azole series here draw in the various azole structure. So what is the azole definition এর সাথে সাথে azole যে সমস্ত azole ডেরিভেটিভ তাদের কিছু ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক আছে যার মধ্যে ফলো করলে azole can be called as a azole. First characteristic is that it's having the 2 nitrogen either second one it is having the 1 nitrogen or 1 sulfur one nitrogen and 1 sulfur, and the third one is that it's having the 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. So as আমি যেটা বলেছি যে azole compound containing at least 1 nitrogen. So these three যে পয়েন্ট আছে পয়েন্টের মধ্যে যে কোনো একটি পয়েন্ট যদি ফলো করে in the case of 5-member ring systems cyclopentane ring system যদি এই তিনটে ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স এর মধ্যে যদি কোনো একটা যদি রুল ফলো করে তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা azole সিরিজ হিসেবে ধরে নিতে পারি. So either it is a 2 nitrogen or it present in the ring system 1 nitrogen 1 sulfur or present in the ring system 1 nitrogen 1 oxygen. So তোমরা লক্ষ্য করে দেখো there is the nitrogen is the common for all the 3 parameters, and so azole series if we can consider that it is the 5-member heterocyclic ring, it containing at least 1 nitrogen and another one any of the heterocyclic atom, like it may be another nitrogen, another sulfur, another oxygen to give the product of the azole derivative. Now here is the azole and this is the nitrogen is the shown at the position 1, and at the 2 position there is the any heteroatom. Here heteroatom means it may be nitrogen, it may be sulfur, it may be oxygen, and the heteroatom may be present at the 3 position to produce the different type of the azole, and here it is the produced at the 4 position and it become the similar to the that one because from the here it is that at the 3 position. So there is the 2 type of the derivative according to position are obtained, and depending upon the heterocyclic atom, and there is the various tribal nomenclature of the azole series are obtained. So তোমরা দেখে নাও that is the containing first the যে লাইনটা আছে এটা তো contain করছে the 2 nitrogen as a heteroatom. So where this is the tribal name of that is the pyrazole. Here the 2 nitrogen are the present at the 1 and 2 position. 2 nitrogen present at 1 and 2 position, and this is the known as a tribal name. This is the pyrazole. Where the 2 nitrogen are the situated in the ring system of the 5-member heterocyclic compound, and that is the 1 and 3 position. It is the known as the imidazole. When the 3 nitrogen presents, it may be 1, 2, 3, maybe 1, 3, 5 position, and it is the known as the triazole, because tria means 3 and azole means the nitrogen. When 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen, this azole series is the known as the oxazole series, and when the oxygen and nitrogen situated at the 1 and 3 position, this is the known as the oxazole, and these are the situated at the 1 and 2 position, this is the known as the isoxazole. Same here is the sulfur is the present in the place of the oxygen. So azole is the first prefix of the azole series. It will be substituted with the thia. So this is the name of the compound is the thiazole, and this is the isothiazole. And this azole series, various azole derivatives compound are present in the various type of the medicinal active compound, bioactive compound এর ring system এ azole system থাকে, এবং এর মধ্যে the imidazole containing a large amount of the bioactive compound in the ring system. So now going to the first one, that is the pyrazole, which I going to the discuss in this lecture. And pyrazole, as you say, that is the pyrazole is the this pyrazole and imidazole, this is the diazole, because this is a more precisely, this is the diazole ring system, diazole. 2 nitrogen is the present, that's why it is the diazole. Okay, so this is among the diazole there is the 2 compound is the present, one is the pyrazole, another one is the imidazole. And pyrazole, in the case of the pyrazole, you can name this compound as a 1,2-diazole, and in the case of the imidazole, you can name this compound as a 1,3-diazole. Okay, so now going to the basic chemistry of the pyrazole, and after that we will start about the chemistry, means that is the structure and their basic physico-chemical properties. And in the chemical properties we will study the reaction, chemical reaction, and we will study about the pyrazole synthetic methodology or synthesis scheme, and also we have to study and the medicinal importance of pyrazole or pyrazole the ring system কোন medicinal active compound ke present থাকে. Okay, so let's start with the pyrazole. Pyrazole, so this is the structure of the pyrazole. আমরা অলরেডি দেখেছি structure of the pyrazole, এবং structure of the pyrazole এর যে মিথিন গ্রুপ প্রেজেন্ট আছে at the position number 2, that is the double bond CH single bond, and this is that replaced with 1 nitrogen to form the pyrazole. And pyrazole, so you can call this is also known as the 1,2-diazole system. And in the structure you can see that is the carbon 3 and carbon 4. This bond's length is the longest bond among the C1, C2, C4, C5, and this bond. So this C3 and C4 is the considered as the longest bond of the in the case of the pyrazole. So if you see the nitrogen of the pyrazole, there is the 2 nitrogen is the present, one is the present at the NH position, in as a NH, which is the just like similar to the pyrrole. Pyrrole also contain NH, and the second nitrogen, it is the present as only the nitrogen, and it's having the also lone pair. One lone pair, it's having the also lone pair. And nitrogen containing the only one lone pair. Nitrogen এর একটা lone pair দুটোতেই আছে, ঠিক আছে? But this is the available as a NH form, and this is that also as a NH form. So this is the similar to the pyrrole, and this second nitrogen which is situated at that 2 position, which that nitrogen is the similar to the nitrogen present in the pyridine ring system. Okay, so there if the pi electron density is the measured by LCAO method, and this is the pi electron density measured করা হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে there is the some density value is the occurs in the each carbon atom, like at the 1 position this is the 1.649, like that 2 3 4 5, and that there is the at the 5 position this is the contain the 1.105, which at the carbon among the C2 and C3 and the C5 position. So this C3 position having the more electron density than the others position. So the normally electrophiles are attacked at the C4 position. So you can say that the electrophilic reaction is the occurs at the C4 position, as well as at the C3 and the C5 position. We can observe the nucleophilic reaction at the C3 and C5 position of the pyrrole. So this pyrrole is the aromatic, is the pyrazole is the aromatic like the pyrrole, because the lone pair present of the nitrogen, it is the perform to achieve the sex rate and to show the aromaticity, because this lone pair available in the nitrogen at the position of the 1, which is performed to achieve the 6 or 6 pi electron, and this 6 pi electron is the delocalized among the pyrazole, and that is the stabilized by the resonance method. So if you consider the resonance of the pyrazole, you can consider that the nitrogen with lone pair is the form a bond. This bond is the open up, move toward the above, and this is the this heteroatom. Here in the case of the it is the nitrogen, but in the case of the oxazole, but in the case of the thiazole, it is the sulfur, it may be the oxygen. So here is the negative ion is the produced in that cases. Bond is formed here, and this bond is the from here. This is the second resonating structure. Sorry, first resonating structure. After that, they delocalize the electron, and it is the produce a negative charge at the 4 position. It will produce the negative charge at the position number 4. And these two resonating structure is the observed at the in the case of the pyrazole, and there if you focus there is the here is the electron cloud, negative charge is the observed at the 4th position. So electrophile is the normally attacked at the 4th position, because electron density is the higher at the 4th position. So it's about the chemical reaction and more precisely the electrophilic substitution reaction which occurs at the fourth position, C4 position, and a nucleophilic reaction is the occurs at the C3 or C5 position. Okay, so and this pyrazole, it is the aromatic, so the aromacity like pyrrole, and the lone pair involved in the C1, which nitrogen is the similar nitrogen of the pyrrole. This is the this is the performed to achieve the sex rate, which is the basic criteria of the aromacity, and this is the stabilized by the resonance also, and resonating structure as at the follows. Okay, now going to the some physical properties. Before going to the some physical properties, pyrazole was first discovered by the Bujnard in 1889, who discovered it during the decomposition of the 3,4,5 tricarboxylic acid pyrazole. So it was first discovered in the 1889 from the 3,4,5 tricarboxylic acid pyrazole. And pyrazole is the application, it is the present in the various medicinal active compound, various dyes which is used in the color formation, and it is also available in the anesthetic as an anesthetic. Pyrazole have also used in the as an antioxidants in the fuels, but their major application have been medicinal and the agriculture use. Okay, so this about the pyrazole, and all we know that the fundamental heterocyclic compound we have been the pyrrole, which have been the furan, which have been the thiophene, can be occurs at the naturally, but pyrazole it is the not occurs at the naturally. They are formed by the synthetic method and or from the other compound. There is the hydrogenation of the pyrrole having the specific name. So the dihydropyrrole is called, that is the dihydropyrrole means the partial hydrogenation of the pyrrole. That pyrrole here, that is the pyrazole, the partial hydrogenation of the pyrazole, that is the nitrogens, and this is the having the partial hydrogenation occurs at that position, and this is the known as the 1-pyrazole. Because when dihydro form are present, these are the known as the pyrazole, and depends upon the double bond, this nomenclature, that this may be the 1-pyrazole. When this double bond is the shifted to that portion, and this is the also known as the 2-pyrazole. And when it is the shifted on the above portion, the C3 and C4 bond, that is the known as the 3-pyrazole. So dihydropyrazole is the known as the pyrazole, whereas the tetrahydro form of the pyrazole, it is the known as the pyrazolidine. This is the tetrahydro form of the pyrazole, which is the fully saturated. You can nomenclature according to IUPAC, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the tetrahydropyrazole. Tetrahydropyrazole, and this is the known as the pyrazolidine. Tetrahydropyrazole is the pyrazolidine. This is the colorless solid, melting point about the pyrazole having the melting point about the 70 degrees Celsius. It is the soluble in the water. It possesses a penetrating pleasant smell unlike most amine. This is the what is the pleasant smell has been produced by the pyrazole. And look at the boiling point of the pyrazole. I mean clear question. if you focus the boiling point of the pyrazole, and pyrazole having the boiling point of the pyrazole is having the about 187 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of the pyrazole it is the about 187 degrees Celsius. It is the so much high because we already observed that the boiling point of the pyrrole is 130 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of the pyrrole is the 130 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of the pyridine is the about 115 degrees Celsius. So higher the boiling point, there is the specific reasons for their high boiling point, and this is the normally boiling point is the affected by the hydrogen bond, the bond observed between the electronegative atom and the hydrogen atom. So in the case of the pyrazole, there are the produces some of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, like that this hydrogen bonding is the produce a weak bond between the another nitrogen situated at the second position. So just like that, so this is the cyclic structure of the cyclic formation of the hydrogen bond, where the two pyrazole moiety is the form a hydrogen bond, and this is the form a dimer, and it can be the pyrazole also form a hydrogen bond linearly, like linear method. So like that, it may be produced in the form of the cyclic or dimer form. It may be produced in the trimer form as a linear form. So due to the hydrogen bonding, and it's the higher its boiling point, and hydrogen bonding is the responsible for the boiling point, because it so much energy is required for breaking the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which is absent in the case of the pyrrole, and which is the cyclic hydrogen bonding in the absence in the case of the pyrrole, and in the case of the pyridine there is no hydrogen is present in their ring system, so there is also not possible to form a hydrogen bonding, and that's why the boiling point of the pyrazole is the higher. If you consider the boiling point of the pyrazole among the imidazole, you can consider that the boiling point of the imidazole about 256 degrees Celsius. So আমরা দেখেছি যে পাইরোল এবং পাইরিডিনের কেসে হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিং সেভাবে হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিং না থাকার জন্য, ডিউ টু দ্য অ্যাবসেন্স অফ দ্য হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিং, the pyrrole and pyrazole containing the hydrogen bonding which may be present in the cyclic form, which may be present in the linear form, and due to that their dimer and trimer forms hydrogen bond, it's having the higher boiling point and among the pyridine and among the pyrrole. But imidazole contain imidazole having the higher boiling point than the pyrazole. It's about the 256 degrees Celsius. If you look at the structure of the imidazole, which is situated 2 nitrogen at the 1 and 3 position, and this is the produces the hydrogen bonding, which is the produces the hydrogen bonding, and which is exists as a oligomer form, means more than 15 to 20 imidazole can form at a time by hydrogen bonding. So, to form the hydrogen bonding 15 থেকে 20 ইমিডাজল একসাথে হাইড্রোজেন বন্ড ফর্ম করে, এবং দ্যাটস ওয়াই দিস এ লার্জ কোয়ান্টিটি অফ দ্য হাইড্রোজেন বন্ড ইজ to break down this hydrogen bond require the more energy, and that is the main reason that boiling point of the imidazole is higher than the pyrazole, and same as well as boiling point of the pyrazole is the higher as a pyrrole and well as the pyridine. This is about the physical properties of the and about the pyrazole boiling point. Another one is that is the pyrazoles exhibits the tautomerism, and I say that there is some compound which is present at the dynamic equilibrium and the transition states of the dynamic equilibrium, and that cases the tautomerism is the occurs. As I said, that is the ketone tautomerism in the case of the carbonyl group, and here in the case of the pyrazole, the annular tautomerism is the occurs. That is the pyrazole moiety. It is the having, and that is the pyrazole moiety, and pyrazole is the tautomerism in the cases of that is the this hydrogen is the attached here, and bond formation is the reversed like that. So if you consider that is the same compound, these two are the same compound, that is the tautomerism of the pyrazole, and which is present in a dynamic equilibrium form, and this is the possible when at the position 1 and 2, which are at the unsubstituted, and thus 3-methyl pyrazole. Here you add that R or methyl group, 1 methyl group. So 3-methyl pyrazole when convert to their another tautomeric form, and this is the also methyl group, but at that position is the something different. Here this is the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3-methyl pyrazole, it is another tautomeric form, and Na start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5-methyl pyrazole. So there is the two different compound are present, but এই দুটো compound similar because they are exist as a tautomeric form, and that's why these two compound exist. This is the similar compound, and this is the due to the tautomerism effect. And the establishment that this phenomena can be confirmed by the oxidation of the 3-methyl 1-phenyl pyrazole and 5-methyl 1-phenyl pyrazole. So these are the produce of product, that is the methyl pyrazole, which is the same product, and when the oxidation is the occurs at that 3-methyl 1-phenyl and 5-methyl 1-phenyl pyrazole. These two compounds are the undergo subjected for the oxidation. They produce the same product. So we can consider that this pyrazole it is the exist in a tautomeric form, and this annular tautomerism form, and that's why the two compounds substituted at the 3 position are the same as well as the substituted at the 5 position. Sorry, 5 position. Okay, so this is about the physical properties of the pyrrole. And the another one important thing is the basicity of the basicity of the pyrrole. So basicity of the pyrrole, it is the also important from that, and it is a very conceptual things that the basic normally basicity is that depends on the nitrogen, is that depends on the availability of the lone pair, because availability of the lone pair protonate the compound, and protonation of the any compound, it means that is the so much produce a conjugated acid, which is the normally the protonation of the compound, any compound produce the conjugated acids, and conjugated acid is the how যতটা conjugated আমি যত বেশি স্টেবল হবে তত কম্পাউন্ডের বেসিসিটি তত বেশি হবে. So that's the main conceptual things, that the low availability of the lone pairs, which is depends the basicity of the compound. So here is the two nitrogen present at the case of the pyrrole, and pyrrole in the case of the, we saw that the pyrrole containing also a lone pair, but it is a very weakly basic, because this lone pair present at the nitrogen C1, and this is the perform in the aromacity system, and this is the perform in the aromacity ring system to form a sexlet, and that's why this lone pair is not available for the protonation, because this lone pair টা aromacity তে ইনভলভ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এবং এই দুটো লোন পেয়ার একটা লোন পেয়ার মিন্স দুটো ইলেকট্রন কি করছে, সেক্সলেট পূরণ করতে কাজে লাগছে, এবং দ্যাটস হোয়াই this is the produce the aromatic compound. But in the case of the pyrrole, there is the nitrogen which is situated at the on position, having the one lone pair and two electrons, which is the involved in the aromacity. But at the two position there is the another nitrogen present, which is the which lone pair is the available for the protonation, and that's why this is the basic. And so the basicity of the pyrrole is due to the availability of the lone pair present at the two position. pK, you consider pK of the pyrrole, that is the about 2.5. Okay, about that 2.5 the pK of the pyrrole, and if you consider the pK of pyrrole, this is the about 0.4. So the pyrrole is the more basic than the pyrrole. Now compare the pyrrole with the imidazole moiety, and imidazole এর ক্ষেত্রেও তোমরা দেখেছো যে this is also containing two lone pair, and one nitrogen is the performing the aromacity, another nitrogen having the three lone pair which is for the protonation. So there are the similar between the pyrrole, so this is the also basis, but which is the more basic? The more basic is the imidazole, because this lone pair is the protonated, and by the protonate and this lone pair as well as this lone pair is the protonated, and to form a positive nitrogen charge. This positive charge is distributed in the ring system. Here you can see there is the two nitrogen is the present at the adjacent position. There are two nitrogen is the present at the adjacent position, and so that there is the two positive charge have been generated, which is the repulsive each other. That's why that is the not so the good resonance, and not so the good resonance, and that's why this is the less basic, because as you know that the যত বেশি রেজোনেটিং স্ট্রাকচার প্রডিউস করবে তা কম্পাউন্ডের স্টেবিলিটি তত বেশি হবে and in that cases there is the d there is the positive charge is the delocalized in the ring system so much easily than the pyrazole, so that's why imidazole having the higher basicity and imidazole pK value about the 7.2. So if you have got the order of the basicity among the this pyrrole, pyrazole and the imidazole. So imidazole basicity order is the imidazole is the higher, then pyrazole and then pyrrole. Pyrrole is the so much weak. pK about the imidazole is about the 7.2. So much basic. Pyrazole pK about the 2.5. Pyrrole pK about the 0.4. So this is the order of the basicity of the compound. So this is the all about their physical and chemical physicochemical properties. Now going to the sum of the reaction as I so that is the pyrazole, it is the normal reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction is the occurs at the C4 position because electron count is the electron density is the higher and that C4 position and another C3 and C5 position is the open for the nucleophilic reaction. So there is the like pyrrole, there is the same type of the reaction has been occurs in the case of the pyrrole. Pyrrole আমরা দেখেছি যে সমস্ত ইলেকট্রোফিলিক সাবস্টিটিউশন রিঅ্যাকশন দেখা যায় সেরকমই পাইরাজোলে ইলেকট্রোফিলিক সাবস্টিটিউশন রিঅ্যাকশন একই রকম ভাবে দেখা যাবে লাইক there is the halogenation occurs at the port position, there is the when treated with the thionyl chloride, when treated with the bromine dioxide there is the port position bromination is the occurs, and the nitration is the occurs and the nitration normal যে nitration করার ক্ষেত্রে যে reagent use করা হয় nitric acid and sulfuric acid হয় the strongest nitration reagent use করা হয় nitration is the occurs but at the cases of the আমরা দেখেছি pyrrole ক্ষেত্রে at the 2 number position the substitute electrophilic substitution reaction দেখা যায় but in the case of the pyrazole there is the 4th position so 4 nitropyrazole is the obtained. Sulfonation as well as the 4 sulfonation ক্ষেত্রে 4 pyrazole sulfonic acid is the obtained and it is the sulfonation is the occurs in the presence of the oleum like that but formylation, carboxylation and acetylation these are the not possible in the case of the pyrazole. Okay, now going to the there is the oxidation and reduction of the pyrazole. So before going to the oxidation reduction I have to discuss that the hydrogen is the present at that position it is the available for the hydrogen bonding and this is the reason for the having the higher boiling point but when the N-alkylation substitution is the occurs like NCH3 NC2H5 so that cases no hydrogen bond is the present on that molecule so that they decreases the boiling point but when the methyl or alkyl substitution present in another portion like CH3 3-methyl pyrazole in that cases there is the increases the boiling point so alkylation of that cases is the occur in methyl alkylation also the occurs in that cases when it is treated with the alkylating agent like methyl iodide methyl halides like methyl iodide or diazomethane so this is the all about the their chemical reaction. Now going to the oxidation and reduction of the that so pyrazole is the for the oxidation and reduction the formylation carboxylation and acetylation this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction these are the not shown in the case of the pyrazole formylation, that is the Vilsmeier-Hack reaction, acetylation, Friedel-Crafts acetylation, carboxylation, this is the not possible in the case of the pyrazole chemistry. So about the oxidation and reduction of that cases, so benzene moto pyrazole oxidation normal ক্ষেত্রে দেখা যায় না, যেটা রেজিস্ট করে অক্সিডেশন কে, but when the substituted pyrazole, like as I say in the case of the tautomerism cases, that 1-phenyl 3-methyl pyrazole ring system, it is subjected for the oxidation, and in the subjected for the oxidation, and in that cases the CH3 group is the oxidized to the acidic group. The reagent occurs in that cases that KMnO4 potassium permanganate in the alkaline solution. So the oxidation is the normally occurs in the alkaline solution of the potassium permanganate, and this CH3 group is converted to the COOH group. So this is the normal oxidation occurred in the substituted pyrazole cases. But in the case of the reduction, there is the serious type of the reduction is the occurs, and with the sodium ethanol, and the reducing agent when we are using as a sodium ethanol, that pyrazole when it is the treated with the sodium ethanol, this is the reducing agent, and this is the produce partial saturated pyrazole, that is the pyrazole. So that is the produce the partially saturated pyrazole, and this is the name of that is the 1,2,2-pyrazole. And in the presence of the palladium hydrogen, it is the produce a chain reaction, and first form it is the pyrazolene derivative, and after that when again it is the more amount of the palladium hydrogens like that is the pyrazole, which is subjected for the palladium hydrogen reduction with the palladium hydrogen about the temperature required, it is the 20 degrees Celsius, and this the produce the pyrazole, and pyrazole which is partially saturated, and after that when it is the further react with the same reducing agent or excess amount of the reducing agent, this is the from the pyrazole, the temperature required for that cases is the 80 degrees Celsius, and it is the produce the pyrazole which is the fully saturated. So this is about the oxidation and reduction process of the pyrazole. Halogen group যে অ্যাটাচ আছে পাইরাজোলে, নাইট্রোজেন, these are the normally inert থাকে এবং কোনো রিঅ্যাকশনে সাড়া দেয় না, but in the case of the nucleophilic reaction on the amynation যখন করা হয়, amynation occur হয় না in the presence of the sodium amine, the ring is the open, and nucleophile is the attached at that 3 position, which is the form a triple bond and produce a cyanide, and in that cases there is the ring is open, and that cases ring is the open, and this ring is the open, further it taken the hydrogen from the solvent system and to produces this compound which is does not show the any cyclic characteristics of the pyrazole compound. So ring is open when it is treated with the nucleophile sodium amine. Okay, so this is all about the reaction. Now going to the synthesis method in a short.